In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to track, schedule or reschedule your order on Costco. Let's get started. First, in order to track your order, navigate to the Costco app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the option account. Here you're going to find the option of orders and purchases. Click on that. Now click view order details next to the specific item. Click the provided tracking link to open the carrier's tracking website. Now to schedule or reschedule large deliveries, what you want to do is locate your tracking number or order number from your order confirmation email. You must manage it via Costco Logistics Tracking. Visit the Costco Logistics Scheduling site, enter your details and click Schedule My Delivery or Return Pickup. View the calendar and select your preferred date. Complete the short questionnaire and click Submit Request to finalize the change. So this is how you can track, schedule or reschedule your order on Costco. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.